Greetings, everyone. My name is Daniel Burton, the Gsna president. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on being accepted to JSU Graduate Studies. This is an exciting journey. I myself am about to finish up and graduate August 5th. But enough about me. I'm here to tell you a little bit more about GSNA. First of all, GSNA is a great way to be involved on your campus, and you can even take it further to a national level. They offer scholarships and just opportunities to connect with other students through mentoring programs. For our chapter, we meet once a month during the fall and spring semester. We talk about ways to get students engaged, to help students build and grow, and we also do fundraisers. If you're interested in joining, you can talk to any of our advisors. Dr. McGrath is a great resource. We elect officers yearly, so if you want to be involved, there's plenty of opportunity. And even if you don't get an office, you can still be a representative or just sit in the meetings. Your input is important to us. We look forward to hearing from you. And again, congratulations on being accepted into graduate studies. Please reach out to our advisors or myself if you have any further questions about joining GSNA.